Capybara. Meet the capybara, the chillest social media star of the animal kingdom. Today, let's get to know a social media star who is loved all over the world for being super duper cute, the capybara. Did you know that a capybara is just like a friendly village chief of the South American rainforest? Let's explore what makes them so special. The king of friendship. Capybaras are the friendliest animals in the world. They can be best friends with everyone, from birds, ducks, and monkeys to even crocodiles. Everyone loves hanging out or taking a little nap next to a gentle capybara. The giant rodent. They are the big brothers of the rodent family. A capybara's body is as round as a little water barrel covered in tough brown fur, and they don't have a tail at all. The river swimmer. Capybaras are amazing swimmers thanks to the small webbed skin between their toes. Just like a duck's feet. They can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes to hide from the heat or from enemies. Favorite foods. Capybaras are true vegetarians. They only love munching on grass, water plants, and yummy fruits and veggies. Capybaras always have a chill, calm, and relaxed face. If you want to learn how to get along with everyone and always stay calm, the capybara is the perfect teacher for you. Hippo. Meet the hippo, the giant submarine of Africa. Let's go visit a super fun heavyweight champion from the rivers of Africa. The hippo, short for hippopotamus. Did you know that a hippo is just like a giant, adorable submarine? Let's discover their little secrets. A chubby body. Hippos have big round bellies, very thick gray-pink skin, and a super-duper giant mouth. Even though they look heavy, they can run very fast and are amazing in the water. The smart submarine. Have you noticed that a hippo's eyes, ears, and nose are all on top of its head? This allows them to stay underwater all day to hide from the sun while still being able to see, hear, and breathe easily. Magic pink sunscreen. Hippos have a special superpower. They sweat a reddish-pink liquid. This acts like a natural sunscreen that protects their skin from getting sunburned and keeps them clean. A quirky hobby. Even though they spend all day in the water, hippos don't actually swim like fish. Instead, they walk or bounce along the bottom of the river. When night falls, the whole hippo family comes onto land to enjoy a feast of yummy green grass. Hippos look very funny and love to yawn, but remember, they are very strong and love their peace and quiet. If you see them resting in the water, just give them a little wave from far away. Ibis. Let's fly to the world of birds to meet a little friend with a very unique beak, which is the ibis. Did you know that the ibis is just like a hard-working explorer of the wetlands? Let's see what makes them so special. The crescent-shaped beak. The most prominent feature of the ibis is its long and downward curved beak, which looks like a crescent moon or a small sickle. This beak helps them easily poke deep into the mud to find food. The hide-and-seek game, underwater. The favorite foods of the ibis are small shrimp, crabs, fish, or insects hiding under the mud. They will use their long beak like a magic wand, continuously groping in the water to catch food at super speed. The vibrant plumage. The ibis family has many different colors, but the most famous is the scarlet ibis with its bright red-orange feathers like a spark of fire flying in the sky, or the sacred ibis with its pure white feathers and a noble black neck. The flight dance. When flying, ibises often line up in a very beautiful V-shaped formation. They fly while keeping their necks and legs straight, looking extremely majestic and graceful. The ibis is a very hard-working bird that likes to live socially in large flocks to protect each other. If you ever get the chance to see a flock of ibises flying by, you will see that the sky looks much more beautiful. Horse. Meet the horse. The star. Track athlete of the grasslands. After meeting our friends in the water in the jungle, today let's meet a very talented track athlete from the grasslands. The horse. Horses have been close friends with humans for a very long time. Let's see what makes them so special. A majestic look. Horses have long, slender, but very strong legs, a high neck, and a soft mane that flows in the wind. Their tail is like a big feather duster that helps flick away those pesky flies. Shoes made of iron. Did you know? To protect their feet while running long distances, humans give horses tough iron shoes called horseshoes. Sleeping while standing. Here is a super cool secret. Horses can sleep while standing up without falling over. Thanks to their special leg structure, they can rest while always being ready to gallop away if there's danger. Giant windows to the soul. Horses have the largest eyes of any land mammal. Their eyes are on the sides of their head, which helps them see almost everything around them without even turning their head. Talking with ears. If you want to know how a horse is feeling, just look at its ears. If the ears are pointing forward, they are curious. If the ears are flattened back, they might be feeling a little grumpy. Horses are very smart and affectionate. They love being brushed and enjoy treats like carrots or apples. If you ever get the chance to meet a horse, give them a gentle pat and feel the warmth of this big, friendly companion. Iguana. Today, let's get to know an amazing friend from the reptile world, the iguana. Imagine the iguana as a gentle little dragon stepping out of a fairy tale. Here are some super cool facts about them. Cool? Look, iguanas have tough, scaly skin, a row of spikes running down their backs like a saw, and a very long tail. Even though they might look a bit scary, most of them are actually very peaceful. Color camouflage. The most famous iguanas are bright green. This helps them hide perfectly among the lush leaves in the jungle. Favorite foods. Unlike other predators, most iguanas are vegetarians. Their favorite snacks are fruits, vegetables, and fresh green leaves. Special skills. Iguanas are excellent swimmers and climbers. If they sense danger, they can jump from high branches into the water to escape. Most amazingly, they have a tiny third eye on top of their heads to sense light and spot enemies coming from above. Iguanas are like the calm guests of nature, loving to sunbathe for hours to keep their bodies warm. If you ever meet an iguana, remember to watch them quietly so you don't startle them.